In all my sailing years, I've seen so many crashes, so many bad landings, and dozens of drones swimming with the fishes. Hi, this is Radu from Sailing Experience, and today I'm going to do our first unboxing. And this is not a regular unboxing, this is the first drone that we are going to add in our fleet. And we have been waiting for so many years for a product like this. Probably you have already guessed that we are talking about the HOVERAir AQUA, which is one of the most expected things in sailing, besides of course a foiling boat. No, that was just a joke. Well, just to let you know, this is not a sponsored video, this is just our excitement regarding such a nice idea like the HOVERAir AQUA. Because, what do you think? No, it's not only orange, but it's waterproof and it's floatable. And another thing that makes this drone very particular and good for the water environment is that the guiding of the drone is not based on light sensors, but it's actually guided by a lighthouse, which is actually a device that it's sending a signal and the drone is following the signal. So let's get started with it. I'm not going to open the box now, but I'm actually going to show you the accessories. So first thing that came out of the box was this, which is the HOVERAir AQUA Smart Battery. So let's take it out. So it's a very nice pouch inside. It looks waterproof. It has the nice logo of the Hoover here, and it has a Velcro, two plastic sealants to keep the water out, and inside it should be the battery. Nice rhyme here, Radu. You can start a career in hip hop. So this is very nice, orange looking. Two connections here, they look very sturdy, very secure, and I just can't wait to put it on the drone. The second thing that came in the box is this Aqua Foldable Takeoff Pad. Should be a very useful accessory, especially when you take off from land. I don't know exactly how this is going to help on the boat, but I'm very excited to get the drone to our Ionian experience that it's coming in a couple of weeks, and then I will actually test in real life if the takeoff pad is going to be useful or not on the boat. So let's see how it looks inside. I have here my special knife, my boat knife. So, as expected, it's a pad that has a big orange and white marking that's going to help the drone find her way back home. And also for you, the user, should be much easy to spot it on land because it has this nice contrast. And also they are right, north is up, south is down, and west to the left and east to the right. Well, the next thing, I'm actually pretty curious what's inside. So just reading from the label, it's a beacon and joystick bundle. So now I got it. So let's do it like this. This is a very nice sound. Just listen to this. Very nice packaging. It looks like they pay a lot of attention to details. I really like the size of it. I like the thing that it's going to take just a little bit of space in my content creator bag as a skipper. Oh my god, that should be like a job title. Anyway, so nice pouch here. I think it's a substitute for leather because we are eco-friendly. Easy to carry. Let's see what's inside. Ta-da! Oh, so many things. Let's use this to hold it, and we have a nice cable, USB-C to USB-C, which probably will connect to the phone. Manual, who reads a manual? Some armband, something to put around your wrist. Something to clean the lens. This is another USB-C, but with a lightning system for Apple. So again, we don't use Apple. This might be, well, where did I put the user manual, because I might need to read it. So this is some connector, magnetic one, that I will probably need to find out what is it doing. I shouldn't have thrown it, so don't do like me, always read the user manual, okay? What else inside? We have one part of the controller. It's written left on this small corner here. Very nice screen here. So right side, center, left side. Let's see what's here. Okay, it looks like a grip connected to something, so we'll see when everything's opened. Instruction manual would have been such a nice add to this. It looks like a clip, maybe something that you can connect in the GoPro. Nice tiny box. Also, there are some buttons that can be used for the joysticks. This here, also it's magnetic. Okay, very nice holding here. It has 2 clips, and you need to make sure these are well closed, not open like this. Let's hear the click. So you need to pull this out and then twist. So now we have the setup for putting the phone. Where's my phone? So we take the phone, case on, okay, and see if it fits. Open, 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 and yep, it's there. It looks pretty fine. Pretty stable. So this is the way it looks with the phone installed. This is something that you can manually control if you don't want to use the preset functions of the drone for your cinematic creativity. I can actually say that I'm so impatient to get this drone out, so maybe I will probably go later on into the park and try to fly there. And by the way, this is a 249 grams drone, which means it doesn't need a special license. You just need to register to the local fly operator and put a label on that. You can fly actually up to 55 kilometers per hour, which is more or less 25 knots, which is actually a pretty good wind resistance. IP67, so it's totally waterproof, floatable. It can actually take off and land from the water. I've seen some live reviews on the internet, and they were all impressed by the capabilities of the drone to go in the water and then fly back, which actually is the reason why we choose to have this drone in our fleet. And now the moment we've been all waiting for is to actually open the big box. Drum roll! So this is the huge box of HOVERAir AQUA. Really nice color. The orange makes it very visible, and it seems that I actually thought of every aspect of using a drone in the water environment. So I can use the knife to cut it open, but I actually really like to take it off nice and slowly. It has such a nice packaging. Bam! Here she flies. So we have a nice hover logo here, which reflects very nice the light. And now, slowly, slowly, it got stuck. Ah, wow, 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 wow. I don't know from where to start. So let's take the drone. It's really, really light. You can actually feel the lightness, if this is grammar-wise correctly. Let me remove the box. So it has very nice protection here, like a guard when you pick it up or you want to catch it from the flight, so you do not damage your fingernails. This is made of polyester. It looks very, very light, a little bit sturdy, so I think it's going to hold to some impacts if you hit a mast or a sail. But I think if you drop it from very high altitudes, then these things are going to break. Let's see what's inside the box. And we have the charging pod. So you actually take the batteries and you just put them here, make the cluck, and this is one ready to charge. I think this is very good because it will prevent the batteries from getting moisture in all the maritime environment. It's made for you to pull down and then push. This, when you pull it, they feel really, really strong, because probably this is what they need in order to have it watertight. And here it's the Lighthouse. This is their branded thing called the Lighthouse. Very nice design also here. It has an armband. You can put it around your arm, and the drone is going to follow this device. This needs to be charged. It has a USB-C also here, and make sure that you close this waterproof port, otherwise this can get damaged. Another battery. So in total we have in this bundle 3 batteries. If the drone is going to fly with one battery, as much as they say it should, which is around 20 or 23 minutes, it gives you a lot of flight time. But we all know in reality the battery life can depend on a lot of conditions. So with 3 batteries, let's say 10 minutes for battery, which should be like the minimum, you still have 30 minutes of flying. A lot of pouches, a charging cable, USB-C, manual. Oh wow, this was really not expected. Let's, do you see what's inside here? What I told you, it's the spare of the protection of the floating rail guard around the drone. So, oh my god, they thought of everything. So, a very nice screwdriver. The protective thing, wow. Well done, Hover, well done. Good. The extra bits for the protection here. This one, if they break, you just change it. Some really tiny screws here. We have the spare propellers. I just need to increase the size of my skipper bag to carry everything. Imagine carrying the HOVERAir AQUA, the GoPros, the mics, the DJI mics, the lights, So I need a bag only to carry the equipment. And also I need to stop looking on the screen. I should actually look into the camera. But I get so distracted by myself, so I cannot help stop looking at me. Anyways, yeah, that's it. This was in the box. Now it's empty. The build quality looks very nice. Maybe it's time to use the knife. So I have never used it to cut any lines, but it's very useful to do the unpacking. Plastics off, and that's it. So you see down here it has a camera. Probably this is used only for landings and takeoffs. Another protection here. And here is the camera, which looks very tight, very nice. Also the reviews on the internet, they say it has no problem with getting wet or getting some condensation inside. I just hope it will not take off in my face. Also that would be a very nice content. But let's turn it on and see. Yep, I cannot turn it on because I need to charge it. So we're just going to wait. Let's wait together.
A few moments later.
Okay, now it's charged. It says 26%. Should be more than enough.
Daddy, Daddy, Daddy.
Da, Tati. It has a very nice display where the information are going to be shown. So I'm going to end this unboxing here in the studio, and I'm actually going to make another video the moment I'm taking the drone out. So by that time I'm going to read the user manual. I'm going to do some flights just to test my abilities, and then I'll take the drone to the water. I hope you've enjoyed it. Give us a like and subscribe for more things that can be used on sailing. And until next time, do sailing safely.